Phrasal verbs with close. Fill in the blanks quiz. Fill in the blanks using the correct phrasal verb with close. I'll give you 5 seconds to answer. Ready? Let's go. Number 1. We are hoping to blank the new house by the end of the month. Is it A, will close on? B, closed on? C, had closed on? Or D, close on? The correct answer is D, close on. We are hoping to close on the new house by the end of the month. Number 2. Drew blank early so he could go and play football with his friends. Is it A, closed down? B, closed up? C, closed in? Or D, closed off? The correct answer is B, closed up. Drew closed up early so he could go and play football with his friends. 3. The stairs in my building have been blank whilst the lights are fixed. Is it A, closing off? B, close off? C, to close off? Or D, closed off? The correct answer is D, closed off. The stairs in my building have been closed off whilst the lights are fixed. 4. The spiders are blank the helpless fly. Is it A, closing in on? B, closed in? C, been closing in? Or D, close in on? The correct answer is A, closing in on. The spiders are closing in on the helpless fly. And 5. The fish and chip shop will blank soon. Is it A, be closing down? B, closing down? C, be closed down? Or D, closed down on? The correct answer is A, be closing down. The fish and chip shop will be closing down soon. Visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more grammar lessons.